Hello everyone, this is Dr. Zach. We're now going to start working with our stem and leaf plots. Now stem and leaf plots are used to display and organize your data based on digits. And these also give us a great idea of how the data is going to be distributed just using visualization. When you construct a stem and leaf plot, each value has to be separated by a stem. So the stem is on the left-hand side of the stem leaf plot, as you can see in example 1. And then the digits on the right-hand side, these are called the leaves or the leaf. Always you will get a key. Now you must read the key in order to understand how to read the stem and leaf plot. There are two types of stem leaf plots. There's a single one, such as in example 1, and then there are double ones, which you'll see later on within this video. So we're going to start with example 1. Your stem leaf plot that we have here shows the number of home runs hit by the 20 baseball teams with the best single season batting averages in the MLB since 1900. So we can see the stems are 0, 1, 2, 3, and 4, and your leaves are as listed. The key 1, 4 means that there were 14 home runs total. So the first thing I want you to notice is that key. So 1/4 tells you that your stem is connected to the leaf, and then you have 14 home runs. Now, when you look at your stem leaf plot again, you're asked to find what 4/2 means, and 4 matched up with the 2 means that there's 42 home runs again. So home runs, there's 42 and 14. Make certain on your paper that you write down both the 42 and the 14 so that I know you're watching the video. Question B, of the 20 players, how many scored more than 30 hits? So you're looking for more than 30 hits. Find the stem for 30, and it's everything below the 30 hits. So that would be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 different home runs. So there are 5 players that have more than 30 hits. Question C, of the 20 players, what percentage scored between 7 and 4 hits? So remember, we're doing the percent hits times the total equals the number between 7 and 14. So the numbers between 7 and 14 would be the 8, here's 12, so it looks like 3 people total. So let's put the 3 under the numbers between 7 and 14. The total number of players is 20. P is what we're looking for. Opposite of multiply is divide. So P equals 3 over 20. We want to change that into a percentage and write the decimal, 0.15, which will be 15%. So 15% of the players scored between 7 and 14 hits. So for example 2, take a look at it. We want to, once again, this one, we get to make the stem leaf plot. The years in which the states were admitted into the Union are listed below. Make a stem leaf plot of the years. Before we do anything, let's put the data in order. That does matter. We want every number in order. So take a moment, pause the video, put your numbers in order. Once you have your data in order, double check. Count that you have the same number of data pieces that you started with once you put them in order. So I have 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20. I did start with 20, so mine are in order and I have the same number. So when we create a stem leaf plot, you can see from our example that we need some sort of title. So the title of mine, I'm going to put years and states. We have years and states. Then you have to determine which ones are going to be the stems and which one are going to be the leaves. Now for me, I'm going to choose my stems to be 17, 8, 179, 180, and 181. And once you have your stems and leaves, now you put in all of your leaves. And in my problem, you can see that the leaves are matching up 7, 7, 7, so 3 of those. Make certain you either put commas or leave plenty of space so that the numbers look like they're separated. Then we will have 8. How many 8s are there? There are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So 1, 2, 8 of them. And then I've got 1 9 in the same row. Now I check out 1790, I've got one of those, a 91, a 92, 96, and an 1803. 6 and 7 will be the end. So we'll count your leaves, make sure you have 20 leaves. Oh, looks like I only have 19. So we have to figure out where my missing leaf is. All right, so hopefully you already knew which one I had made a mistake on. Find it, fix it, and then the next thing we want to do is write a key to describe this data. So when you write your key, keep it in the same format. Let's say I have 179, write the word key, then draw a line and put in a piece of data. So 179/1 means 1791. All right, so that's our first stem and leaf plot that we've drawn. Make certain that you put your data in order before you begin. And as you look at the next page, what I think you'll see is that the problems are very similar. So complete questions 1, 2, and 3 as your assignment. So example 3 is a back-to-back stem leaf plot. What that means is that you have two